WebVTT is the subtitle format used by HTML5 web players. It captures text and timing. If you downloaded a video from the web, this is the caption file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's combine them. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the VTT file. I'll reveal it at the end. VTT files are web video text tracks, subtitle, and caption files using the WebVTT format standardized by the W3C. They contain time text cues for displaying subtitles, captions, descriptions, chapters, or metadata synchronized with HTML5 video playback in web browsers and media players. WebVTT files use plain UTF-8 text beginning with a WebVTT header, followed by optional metadata and sequential cue blocks. Each cue contains a timestamp range in HH, MM, SS, M format, and text content, supporting HTML-like formatting tags, positioning directives, and CSS styling for caption appearance customization. Historically, the main tool for managing the VTT type has been web browsers video players by W3C standard. The simple text-based structure is handled poorly by standard Windows applications. Windows enables basic playback, but serious video work requires a dedicated editor. Your most critical first action is the file association test. Right-click the VTT file and choose Open With. If web browsers video players is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. If your VTT file will not open, do not worry. When the file won't budge, the error is typically related to three simple things. Use the following checklist to quickly identify the issue that persists. First, viewing subtitles. Open the VTT file alongside its video in VLC Media Player by dragging the VTT file onto the playing video or using Subtitle, then add Subtitle file. VLC renders the time captions over the video. Most modern web browsers also display VTT subtitles when referenced in an HTML5 video track element. Next, editing caption text. Open the VTT file in any text editor such as Notepad++ or Sublime Text. Edit the caption text between timestamp lines while preserving the timestamp format. Use Subtitle Edit, a free dedicated subtitle editor for visual timeline editing, automatic synchronization, and spell checking of caption content. Finally, converting between formats. Use Subtitle Edit or FFmpeg to convert VTT files to SRTS or other subtitle formats. In Subtitle Edit, open the VTT file and use File, then Save As to select the target format. For batch conversion, FFmpeg can extract and convert subtitle streams between formats during video processing operations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.